There is a mother hen there, oh, with the 5 chicks. Yes.
Mga effies nga gagmatis.
Yes, this is our very small farm. Yes, praise the Lord.
Oh!
Alam mo, murag, padung nagiday ni siya makuan mo. Oh, guys, malapit na yun siya talaga, guys, mag-ano, guys, oh. Mag-labor. Praise the Lord. God bless you, Mother Pigs. Mother Pig na di ay kay isa lang man. And that's our swimming pool over there, guys. You look at. That's our neighbor in there, oh. This is the drainage. Here you can also add more pig. So the pig is in the pig pen, like this one. Yes. Patay. Hapit ta na mo. Salamat sa pagtanaw. Wala live man eh. Pagka-upload ani nanay mo tanaw. Ay tara daw. Let's check the guava. Ito ani i-transfer ka mahulog ni ma. Sige lang, atura nang i-arrange. Let's check up the guava.
Gamay.
Wow, praise the Lord, the guava is here. Kaso guys, katong atong guava nga gipat, ginag-survive. Sin isa. Ay oh, praise the Lord. Tagan gid bulak. There's a bulak here, oh. Agoy. Hala pa, oh. Guys. Kainit. Ay, hala. Bago ni mong palit, ma? Kuya. This is our... Ano siya tawag niya?
Sandayong.
In the sandayong in the farm. In the model of the sandayong. My mother is the model of the sandayong. Walay bitsin? And my brother is cooking the lechon paksiw. Kapalit. That's the drainage down there in the swimming pool. Let's go here. Okay. Look, the mother hen with her chicks. There's a very beautiful mud-like, oh, and then our aeroplane. Ooh, the aeroplane is flying. Okay, hello, bye-bye. The aeroplane, bye-bye. Namisbis bitaw na siya guys sa mga saging sa dole. Okay, let's move. Thank you for watching.